In AI related projects, we often optimize our code, modify or tweak our base model. We add parameters, layers to our code, etc. Now, all these experiments without proper version controls become very difficult and very messy very easily. Git provides a very easy way to organize, optimize our workflow, and repeat the tasks and collaborate with our peers. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how Git does it in a very simple yet powerful manner. So we use Git for AI to leverage the branching feature of Git for our AI projects in this particular case. The idea is very simple. We have a base model that is our main branch we create with our initial commit. And with every experiment that we design, we create a new branch. And this essentially helps our developer to focus on the experiments without affecting the main branch. Okay, so we have our initial base model with us. It's a fake base model, by the way. The idea is to commit this first as an initial commit and then create different branches for different experiments. So I'll commit it first. So git definitely. So git init. I'll go with git add dot, that is adding everything, and git commit m initial commit model. All right. So here's our base model. Now what I'll do is I'll modify this by adding a dropout layer. nn dot dropout, and let's have like p is 0.5, and I'll just comment it like new dropout layer. Now I'll commit this, but not in the main branch. I'll have to create a different branch. So git checkout branch. I'll say experiment dropout. All right. Now switch to a new branch, and we'll add again git add dot. All right. Git commit m will follow a good nomenclature. So experiment added a dropout layer. You see that there is this baseline main that I have as a branch name. I'll just say experiment dropout. Right. And then I'll commit. So git add all. I'm still in the dropout branch. So git commit m changed the name of branch. Right. Now, when I add a new optimizer, like instead of Adam, I go for SGT. All right. And I'll say new optimizer, SGT. And I'll name this SGT. So what I'll do is git checkout branch experiment SGD, and I'll add everything. So git add dot git commit m experiment added or modified the optimizer. So modified optimizer to SGD. Right. So now if I want to go back to the main branch, I go with like git checkout main, and you can see that the optimizer is again switched to the initial one, and the dropout layer is also gone. If I just go to the dropout branch, git checkout experiment dropout, I'll have the dropout layer added. If I go with git checkout experiment SGD, I'll have the optimizer changed to SGD. So this is the way where we can keep different experiments separate, isolated from each other, and whatever experiment works, we just merge it with the main branch, and the code works. And this is very, very simple, very elegant, and a very effective way to manage your code. Thank you.